Now let's have a look at withdrawing money for business use. On the 15th, withdraw 1,500 from the business's bank account. Now this is when the business withdraws money from its own bank account. And the two accounts here again is cash and bank. So our cash will be increasing since the business is receiving the money, and our bank will be decreasing since the bank is paying the money out. So we would have one entry in the cash column and we would have another entry in the bank column. So now bank is an asset and our asset is decreasing because the money is being withdrawn from the bank, so we would enter that on the credit side. And our cash will be increasing because the business will be receiving the money, and our cash is an asset and our asset increases on the debit side. Now let's go and enter this transaction. So we would firstly credit our cash book with 1,500. The amount will be in the bank column because the bank is the one paying out the money, and the details in the description will be cash. And again, in our folio column we will enter a C, which stands for contra entry. And when we credit our cash book, it means that we are paying money out. Then to complete our double entry, we will debit our cash book with 1,500 in the cash column. The details in the description column is bank because the money came from the bank account. And again, in our folio column we will enter a C. And when we debit our cash book, that means that we are receiving money. And again, this is a contra entry. Why? Because the double entry is being done in the cash book.